Have you ever wondered how you can install your favorite Android apps directly on your Windows PC? Hi everyone, in this video I show you how to install APK file on Windows PC directly. With this method you can save more RAM. You don't need to use more RAM. You can install it on Windows 11 and also on Windows 10. Open your favorite browser, type here developer Android, hit enter. I share this link on the description. Open this first link. On the search here type emulator, hit enter. Here we have different link. Find this one, download the Google Play Games on PC Developer Emulator. Download the Google Play Games. Okay, here we have two types. If you click on other, scroll down, here is stable and also beta. Come back, click on download stable edition. Open this folder or come directly on File Explorer, download, install Google Play Game, double click, click on yes, installing, downloading. It will take a few moments to download the files. Installing. Installation complete. Click on close. Click on start. Type here Microsoft Store. Open your Microsoft Store. Type here WSA Windows Subsystem. Hit enter. On the Microsoft Store we can find different Windows Subsystem. Scroll down, find this one, AOW tools. Click here. Don't worry, you can use this tool for free. Click on free. Starting download. It will take a few moments to download. When it is finished, click on open. Close Microsoft Store. Click on help. Copy this first link. Open CMD. Paste here. Right click. Hit enter. OK. Close it. Open your browser, type here APK Pure, hit enter. Open this first link. With this site you can download any APK file you want. You can find all APK files here. For example, I want to download WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp Messenger. Click on search. Scroll down, WhatsApp Messenger, click on download APK, close, scroll down. Here is download APK. It is around 56 megabyte. Click on download. Like this, you can download any APK file you want. Just search, for example, car games. You can find your favorite games or your favorite apps with this site. Now come back on install. I download some APK files from APK Pure. Now click here, add APK. Go to download. Here we have this games and also we have this WhatsApp. First, let's install this WhatsApp. Just select, open. It is installed. When you click in this device, here is nothing. Before this, open Google Play Games. Google Play Games on PC emulator is starting. Press Ctrl with B for back and Ctrl with H for home. Here is no navigation bar, just use it with Ctrl B and Ctrl H. If you get any error, sign in with Microsoft account. Now come back to AOW, select your device. This device is online. Come back to emulator. Click here, push up. Here is nothing. Again, come back to install. Reinstall it. Again, open Play Store. Look, here is WhatsApp. Let's install other apps. Click here. I want to install this game and also this game and also this car games. Wait a few moments to install all these apps easily. When you click on apps, you will see all your apps. When you click on three dots, you can open, you can uninstall. Come back to Play Store. Here we have these games. If you click here, right click on Play Store. Here we have different options like graphic settings. If you click on maximum FPS, you can select your FPS. Here is different options like developer options. Now let's launch one of them. I want to play this game. Okay, you can minimize. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Okay, loading. Okay. I want to select which one. This one. Okay. Okay.
Perfect!
Oh, let's play other one. Press Ctrl with H. Come back, push up. This traffic rider. I want to select this one. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. This one. Play. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time.